Welcome to the tallest, grandest, and most luxurious residential towers in the world. From iconic skyscrapers to brand new record breakers, we have curated a collection of buildings where every apartment is a palace and the views are absolutely priceless. All yours for a song. Just kidding. These places don't come cheap. So sit back, relax, and get ready to drool over the Billionaire's Row edition. The epitome of urban luxury living. Number 10. 157, New York City, USA, worth a whopping $3.1 billion. This 75-story skyscraper is one of the most prominent buildings on Billionaire's Row. Developed by McAfee Interests and Property Markets Group, 157 offers some of the most expensive residences in New York. The tower features a mix of condo and rental units with prices ranging from $5 million to over $85 million. Number 9. 432 Park Avenue, New York City, USA, valued at $3.2 billion. This 96-story residential skyscraper is the third tallest building in New York and the ninth tallest in the world. Designed by Raphael Viñoly, 432 Park Avenue has a distinctive slender profile and is known for its luxurious residences with sweeping views of the city. Prices range from several million to over $100 million. Number 8. Ode to the West, Mumbai, India, worth approximately $3.3 billion. This 75-story skyscraper is the tallest residential building in India and one of the most expensive residential projects in the world. Located in Mumbai's upscale Bandra Kurla complex, Ode to the West offers opulent apartments with prices starting at around 3,000 rupees per square foot. Number 7. The Mark, New York City, USA, valued at $3.4 billion. This 66-story ultra-luxury condominium tower is located in the heart of Manhattan. Designed by renowned architect Annabel Seldorf, the Mark offers elegant residences with prices ranging from $4.5 million to over $50 million. Number 6. 181, a Radiator Row, New York City, USA, worth around $3.5 billion. This 62-story supertall residential building in Midtown Manhattan is one of the newest and most expensive residential towers in the city. Designed by shop architects, 181 is known for its unique setbacks and cascading terraces. Prices for units in the building start around $16 million and go up to $88 million. Number 5. Ultra, Dubai, Way, valued at $4.5 billion. This 77-story mixed-use skyscraper is part of Dubai's ambitious plans to develop the world's tallest residential building. Located in the heart of the city, Ultra offers luxurious apartments and is expected to become one of the most expensive residential towers in the world. Number 4. 220 Central Park South, New York City, USA, worth a staggering $5 billion. This 66-story skyscraper is known as the most expensive residential building in the world. The building was formerly the tallest residential building in the Western Hemisphere until it was surpassed by 432 Park Avenue. Prices for units in the building range from $13 million to over $216 million. Number 3. Shanghai Tower, Shanghai, China, valued at $5.5 billion. This 1-to-8-story skyscraper is the second tallest building in China and the sixth tallest in the world. The tower features a distinctive twisted design and houses a mix of office and residential spaces with prices for apartments starting around 8,000 yuan per square meter. Number 2. Merdeka 118, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, worth an impressive $6.8 billion. This 118-story skyscraper is the second tallest building in Malaysia and will soon be the tallest residential building in Southeast Asia. Located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur's financial district, Merdeka 118 offers luxurious apartments with prices starting at around 1.2 million ringgit. And finally, number 1. Jada Tower, Mumbai, India, valued at a mind-boggling $7.2 billion. This proposed 1-to-8-story skyscraper will be the tallest residential building in the world if and when it's built. Located in Mumbai's financial district, Jade Tower will feature luxurious apartments with prices expected to reach several thousand rupees per square foot. That's all for now. See you next time. What if I told you there exists a place where the clouds are your neighbors and the world is your oyster? Welcome to Billionaires Row, where the address is as prestigious as the pedigree of its inhabitants. Forget sprawling mansions, because the new definition of wealth is measured in floors, not in feet. This is the realm where real estate isn't bought, it's acquired, and where the skyline is the new frontier. But what makes these towers so sought after? Join me as we delve into the world of architectural grandeur and staggering valuations. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of the tallest and most luxurious residential towers that money can buy. And if you're a fan of all things extravagant, stay tuned till the end to find out where the next Billionaires Row is set to rise. Skyscrapers of superlatives, the Billionaires Row phenomenon. More than just a street, Billionaires Row is a constellation of extreme wealth and architectural ambition. These towers aren't just residences. They're status symbols, investments, and in some cases, works of art. So what's driving the demand for these sky-high abodes? Despite economic shifts and global uncertainties, these towers continue to rocket in value. But why? And who are the privileged few buying these multi-million-dollar apartments? As we ascend to the peak of luxury living, we'll explore the financial motivations behind these astronomical purchases. Delve into the world of high-end real estate and discover why the richest in the world are investing in these vertical utopias. Architectural apex, design and engineering marvels. These towers aren't just about opulence. They're also architectural marvels. From the glass and steel structures to the innovative design elements, each tower is a testament to human ingenuity. But how do architects and engineers overcome the challenges of constructing these super tall buildings? As we unpack the design philosophies and cutting-edge materials used in these towers, you'll learn how wind resistance, seismic activity and sustainability are addressed at these dizzying heights. Unbelievable amenities, the allure of sky-high living. Prepare to be amazed by the luxurious amenities that await you at the top of these towers. Private IMAX theaters, world-class spas and sky-high infinity pools offering panoramic views are just the beginning. As we explore the features that make these towers so appealing to potential buyers, you'll understand why location, exclusivity and luxury are the holy trinity of real estate. Global hotspots, where opulence reaches new heights. From the iconic skyscrapers of New York City to the emerging markets of Dubai, Singapore and Hong Kong, we'll examine how different cities cater to the desires of the global elite. With over 100 new super tall buildings planned or under construction, these cities are raising the bar for luxury living. So join us as we take a tour of the world's most opulent cityscapes and discover what makes them so attractive to the world's wealthiest individuals. The price of perfection. Unpacking the valuations. With prices reaching into the billions, these towers are among the most expensive pieces of real estate in the world. But what do these astronomical numbers actually represent? By breaking down the cost per square foot, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the factors that contribute to these staggering valuations. And beyond the sticker price, we'll explore the hidden costs of owning a piece of paradise in the sky. So whether you're a real estate enthusiast, an architecture aficionado, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, we invite you to join us on this journey to the top. Discover the secrets of the world's most exclusive residences and find out what it really means to live on Billionaires Row. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and trends in the world of luxury real estate. Today we unveil the most expensive residential towers in the world for 2025. These towering symbols of extravagance redefine the boundaries of luxury living, offering unparalleled amenities and breathtaking views from extraordinary heights. Get ready to explore the epitome of opulence and discover the world's most coveted residences. As we delve into the realm of ultra-luxury real estate, it's essential to understand the key factors that contribute to the exorbitant prices of these residential towers. Skyscrapers of superlatives, the Billionaires Row phenomenon. Defining Billionaires Row more than just a street, It's a concentration of extreme wealth and architectural ambition. The financial landscape of 2025. Why are these towers still skyrocketing in value despite global shifts? The exclusive club. Who are the ultra-rich buyers behind these incredible purchases? Architectural apex. Design and engineering marvels. Beyond the glass and steel, unpacking the revolutionary design philosophies and materials used in these towers. Battling the elements. The cutting-edge engineering solutions for wind resistance, seismic activity and sustainability at these heights. Amenities that defy imagination. From private IMAX theaters to sky-high infinity pools, the unbelievable features attracting buyers. Global hotspots, where opulence reaches new heights. New York City's enduring dominance, examining the iconic towers and their continued appeal. Emerging markets, exploring the rise of ultra-luxury towers in Dubai, Singapore, and Hong Kong in 2025. The allure of location. What makes these specific cityscapes and neighborhoods so desirable for the global elite? The price of perfection. Unpacking the valuations. Breaking down the cost per square foot. Understanding the metrics behind the astronomical prices. Beyond the sticker price. The hidden costs and ongoing expenses of owning a residence in these towers. Investment vs. lifestyle. Are these purchases purely for prestige or do they offer significant financial returns? The future of ultra-luxury living. Sustainable skyscrapers. How are these towers addressing environmental concerns and incorporating green tech? The next generation of billionaires rose, predicting where the next wave of ultra-luxury development will emerge. The legacy of these towers. How will they be remembered in architectural history and the chronicles of wealth? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the world of luxury real estate.